Hey everybody, if you're hearing on your own voice on Discord and you are trying to fix that issue today, we are going to guide you through the steps. So let's just get started. So we can just go over and first of all make sure you are using the headphones instead of the speakers. Using speaker can cause your mic to pick up sound from the speakers, creating an echo. So you can access your Discord first. Go to your browser or your Discord application. I'm just going to use a browser. And you can head over to discord.com and open it up. Once you open it up, you should be finding that Discord has a built-in echo cancellation. So you can go to user settings for that. And once you access your user settings, you can go to the voice and video. Go to the voice and video section within your settings. This one right here. And within your voice and video section, you can go over, scroll, and look out for the option for echo cancellation. So if you find the option for echo cancellation, you can just go over and turn that on. This one right here. So enable this option or disable it. It may reduce the feedback from your mic, so you can just go over and do so. And apart from that, you can check your input or output device. So sometimes Discord picks the wrong microphone or speakers. So in your voice and video section, you can select up your input device. You can click on show more and do so. Same goes for your output device application as well. And you can just go over and fix it. And within voice and video itself, Discord sometimes adjusts the mics automatically. So for that, you can go to the input sensitivity section. You can go over, look out for this input sensitivity, and you can either turn it off or set a level manually and lower it if your voice echoes. And what you can do is you can just go over and disable the stereo mix or mic monitoring on your Windows. For that, you can close this up, go ahead and access your sound settings. You can right click on your speaker icon, select the option of sound settings. And within your sound settings, you can go to recording devices, input, and within input, look out for the option of disabling the stereo devices. So you can just go over, look out for Microsoft Microphone Array. And if there is option of stereo mix, you can just go over and turn it off within your speaker, I guess. So you can go to your speaker, go over and look out for the stereo mix option, and just go over and turn that option off here and disable it. And also test your microphone in Discord. You can close this up, head over to Discord in your PC, and look out for your user settings once again. And go to your voice and video and ensure that microphone option here that you can test out the microphone. You can select this option of let's check and make sure you do not hear your voice and adjust the settings if needed. And that's it. By following up these steps, you should probably be able to fix the issue that is happening. So make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, comment below, and thank you for watching.